Hello, this video looks at using an advanced filter. This is 6B, and one of the things is there is an error in the assignment sheet. It says to put in, after you do the certain steps of adding things to it, that you're supposed to do an advanced filter. It asks for you to type in yes and I-18 when actually it should be I-17. We're going to type in yes. This is what we're looking for. And then once we do that, we press enter and we come back to yes right here. And then we click on data. Then we click on advanced under the sort and filter group. And then we're going to click copy to another destination. Now we click back up here for our list range. What we want to select is this table area right here. So I select that. In our criteria range, we're going to select published right here and yes. And what was happening with the error of you putting it in line 18, it gave a blank line there, and therefore it wouldn't run it. The area that we're going to copy it to, I'm going to click in that area, and then I'm going to highlight this area, and that's those two rows where it should go. And then I click OK. And it's going to tell me the destination range is not large enough to accommodate copied rows. Do you want to continue? Say sure. And then that will allow you to have your yeses moved to that area. Let me know if you have any questions.